In this lesson, you'll get introduced to Unity. Unity is a free game engine that will allow you to stay organized when we're creating our virtual reality apps. You can use it for actually cross-platform games where you can port it to iOS, Windows, Android, but we'll be using it for virtual reality. In this lesson, you will create a new project on the computer's file system. You'll identify the main windows of the Unity editor. You also will understand game objects, which are the basic building blocks of the Unity app. You also learn some keyboard shortcuts that you will definitely want to remember throughout this year. That way you can navigate Unity a little like a professional. You also will gain exposure to Unity physics engine. We're going to do some collisions with some shapes that you're going to create and understand how things will bounce or react when it collides with something else. And you're also going to make your own 3D physics simulation. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to have to do is actually open up Unity. I am on my Mac, but on the Windows it's the same thing. This is actually how the Unity engine looks, the icon. Go ahead and click on that. Or on a Windows, actually double click on it. Once it opens up, you will see the same screen no matter if you're on a Windows or a Mac. What you want to do to go ahead and sign in, I've already signed out. I'm going to sign out so you can see that. But you do want to sign in with either your Google account or a Unity account. That way you can have all your stuff. You can see how it set it there. Go ahead and sign in. So once you're actually signed in, to create our project, and what we'll do here is we're going to go ahead and click on New. And we're going to call this Playground. We're going to leave this as 3D. And you can also go ahead and change the location if you want. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put it on my desktop in my VR folder, call it Unity, and I'll call this VRCA for Virtual Reality Coding Academy. So I'm going to save it there. And organization is GantTech. Enable Unity Analytics, that's fine. I can actually turn it off. And I'll push create. You can see it's actually importing all of the Unity assets for the game engine. And once it's actually done, it will load the Unity editor. So here the Unity editor has been loaded. So in section 2, we will actually go over the parts of the Unity editor. That's all for this video. Continue on to watch section 2.